Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you guys how to create an Amazon account. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss our upcoming videos. Without wasting most of your time, let's get started. So once you're on Amazon page, you see at the right hand side of your screen, you will see sign in. On sign in below, you are going to see new customer, and beside new customer you will see start here. So you are going to click on start here to create an account. Once you click on start here, you are going to see Amazon. That's the next page, where you are going to insert your name. You insert your email address, you insert your password, and after that you click on what? Create your Amazon account. So I'll first of all start by inserting my name. That's my name, and after that I'm going to insert my email address. So after inserting my email address, I'm going to create my password. That is the password that will give me the access each time I want to open my Amazon account. So I'm going to create it. So after doing that, I'm going to re-enter the password, the same password. After that, I'm going to click on what? Create your Amazon account. So once I click on create on Amazon account, it is going to take me to another page. On this page, where Amazon will actually send me a verification code. So Amazon will actually send you a verification code inside your email address. Once you check your email address, you insert this code, that is 884967. If should in case Amazon does not send you a verification code, you are going to click on what? Reset OTP. To protect your account again, you are going to insert the full names. That is your full names. After doing that, you click on what? Continue. And you still need to reset. You still need to create another password again. So after doing that, you create the same password, you insert the same password. So after doing that, you now save. Once you save, you now sign in into your account. Click on what? Continue. It's going to take you to another page. Here you need to insert your phone number, now depending on your country. So I'm from Cameroon, I'm going to insert my Cameroon number. So here it actually depends on your country. So once I insert my number, I can either add my telephone number or I say add letter. So I'm going to click on what? On add letter. Once I click on add letter, it is going to automatically create my account, and I'm going to and Amazon page will automatically be created. So that is the Amazon page. That is my Amazon account already created. So that's my page. That's my Amazon account already created, my name written on it. So that's your account.